Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Vimcal Calendar and Schedule app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Vimcal is a modern calendar and scheduling app designed to make managing meetings, events, and tasks faster and smarter. Built for professionals, teams, and individuals, Vimcal focuses on speed, simplicity, and efficiency. It's available on both desktop and mobile platforms and integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Calendar, Zoom, and Outlook. The app's main feature is its lightning-fast scheduling system. Users can create and adjust meetings in seconds using intuitive keyboard shortcuts. Vimcal also includes timezone intelligence, which automatically detects and adjusts meeting times for participants in different regions. It supports meeting templates, smart reminders, and quick link generation for virtual meetings, making it an all-in-one productivity tool for busy professionals. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Vimcal's clean interface, fast navigation, and advanced scheduling capabilities. It helps reduce the time spent coordinating meetings and eliminates confusion around time zone differences. Users especially like how easily they can manage both work and personal events in one place. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's premium version can be relatively expensive compared to other calendar tools, and some users report limited customization options on the mobile version. Additionally, because it's a cloud-based app, it requires internet access for real-time syncing, which might be inconvenient for offline users. In summary, the Vimcal app may be worth using if you want a fast, professional-grade scheduling experience with features that save time and boost productivity. However, if you're looking for a free, fully customizable calendar or work mostly offline, it may not be the perfect fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.